I remember back when Unxamalala was the president of the ANC in the country, when the outrage and the manufactured state capture started becoming the popular narrative, and it was quite clear that the ANC would ditch Ubaba Unxamalala. There was a public address that was made by Ubaba Ugwede Montashe, where he said to the ANC people then that Cyril Ramaphosa was wealthy, so he was never gonna steal from the public coffers. The funny thing is that people never ask themselves, how did the rich get richer while the poor got poorer? People need to start using their brains. You need to start